Could you tell us what the recipe is today?
The name of the recipe
Correct.
is allora stick.
It is not. Come on.
It's not name, it's a tagliata with radicchio.
Well, what is a tagliata?
We say tagliata when you have some the sirloin stick
Steak.
grilled and cutted.
Right, so
This is
what
a
does
tagliata.
tagliata mean cut?
Sì.
Okay.
It's a
So tagliata means to cut. So our producer has no idea what we're making. So essentially what it is it's salad with steak on top of it. And they do a lot of versions here. There is a version in my cookbook at the table of La Fortezza that we do with a bistecca and we use an arugula with it.
You're being very Italian right now and evasive about what people are. You could just tell us we're making cooked radicchio with sirloin steak.
Put the camera on him. We're making cooked radicchio with
sirloin steak.
we're making cooked radicchio with sirloin steak. That's what we're making. Was that good? Does everybody know what we're doing now? No. Okay.
No.
So this would be something you would do more in like the early spring and the winter time, because this is a winter vegetable, essentially, this radicchio, which is matured, and that's why it's so long and skinny. I will say in America, for you guys that are looking at this going, where do I find this radicchio? You can use just regular radicchio in the store. The stuff that they sell at Whole Foods is fine. Chef Leo, please continue with your cooking lesson.
Yes.
Is it at 180?
180 in Italy.
180 in Italy. We have a sirloin.
So you cut up the radicchio and you put olive oil on it.
We season it with olive oil, salt.
He wants to know the recipe.
I just feel like you're
Michael's
both
so annoying.
See?
This is Leo's cooking show, okay? Leo, you want to tell us what you did to that radicchio?
We cut the radicchio
Okay.
and we season it with oil and salt.
So now it's just salt, oil, the cut up radicchio in the oven at 350 for how long?
10 minutes. About.
For 10
It's,
minutes. Happy, Michael?
I mean, it would have been nice to know all this before we made it. But
We have two sirloin fillets here. They're cut very thin. You can do thicker, you can do filet mignon. And then he's put a little bit of salt on top of it, and you're going to cook it in a cast iron skillet.
See?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is Leonardo's cooking show. You know, do whatever the heck you want, because we're not going to give you any instructions. So you better be watching closely. And we're depending on our camera crew to catch all this stuff for you. All I know is this is a really simple dish that we've somehow made incredibly complicated.
It's
Don't you
super
think?
simple.
I mean, this is like lunch, like bada bing, bada boom, right?
Sì, bada bing, bada
And you
boom.
were saying this is like a bestseller at the restaurant you worked at.
Sì,
You worked
sì.
in Parma.
so what was it called?
Tagliata con radicchio e parmigiano.
Oh, what was it called? On the menu.
The name. It was on the menu at the restaurant. It was a bestseller. It doesn't have a name. People just say, "Can I have that thing?"
It's a fucking tagliata.
There's the name.
Do the parmigiano shapes. Shave
it, right? So we shave it. I actually use my potato peeler a lot. I like to shave my Parmigiano like this and just toss it into my salad with tomatoes and lettuce, a little balsamic vinegar, a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper. You have an absolutely delicious salad. This is why Leo and I disagree about olive oil. Like, he uses like very basic olive oil. It's good, and I use really expensive olive oil to cook in. It makes him very upset that I do that.
You have to cook with a basic oil and season with a good oil.
Okay. Got that, everybody?
So how long are we cooking this?
3 minutes each side.
Sì.
I like it a little bit raw on the inside. You like it like kicking and screaming. But now remember, it is continuing to cook. When you pull it off, it's still going.
So it's relaxing, man.
It's relaxing, but it's also cooking at the same time. Nice plate you're putting together there. So see how it changes color, right? So it went in pink and it came out sort of roasted. So that's a thing. And then now we cut up the meat.
Sì.
Do you slice against the grain?
Sì.
The sinews go one way, you slice against them so that it's not chewy. It's very important how you slice the meat because you want it to be tender. Oh, I love it. I'm excited to taste this.
You season it with the balsamic vinegar.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that is so good.
Buono, eh?
I'm still chewing.
You gotta like actually
I am gonna wrap it up. I'm chewing my food. Okay, guys, that's it for us today. Thank you, Leo. What a great episode. Anyway, welcome and goodbye. And thanks a lot for joining Leo on his new cooking show. Meat. That's the name of your show. Meat. So bye from Looney Jana. Don't forget to like and
subscribe.
Okay, thanks guys. Ciao.
Ciao.